The EX10 has now a new test application named the PON Test. It is designed for technicians who only need basic information on XGS PON links such as transmit power, receive power, PON ID, OLT transmit power, ODN Loss, and ODN Class. Once you have obtained all the relevant information on your screen, proceed by clicking the Start button, which will automatically generate a comprehensive report. By clicking on the orange button, you can choose to either share it or view it. If you prefer to view the report on your phone, simply click on the View option. From there, you can select the app you would like to use to view the report. Once selected, you will have access to your report.